Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Wednesday, August 29th. It is hump day. We made it through this week so far. Hope everybody is safe. And we have another Amazon unboxing to do. Uh-oh. So let me try to take a peek. But this is courtesy of YUMQUA on Amazon. You guys can take a look. Link is going to be down below. Check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. And you guys could get this in no time. Especially now with the holidays approaching. Santa Claus is coming. Make sure your Amazon wish list is filled to the brim. Now he's doing the new age. Santa's checking in on Amazon. And you guys could order one of these at a low cost. YUMQUA optical mouse. Like I said, link is going to be down below. This is a paid video. So thank you guys for sending me this to show YouTubers what you guys have to offer. And you guys could also take a look at what other goodies they have at their shop, at the storefront. So here we go. Peekaboo. I see you. This is the corded one. USB. Oh, focus. Bummer. Here is the mousey mouse. YUMQUA. Nice. Really lightweight. Got the USB. And I'm going to hook it up to my computer in about 2 seconds. So we're going to hop over there. Let's see what this has. What's the good features on this? DPI 600,000, 1600. Button life about 3 million times. System supported Windows 98, 2000, 7, 8, 10. Windows Vista, Mac. All you Apple people out there. Cable length is 150 centimeters. Material is ABS, and of course it's black. So you get the left button, cable, right button, DPI, which is right there. And then the scroll wheel. We all know that right here. Has a nice grip to it. I'm liking it. You might want to pick a couple up. You never know with mouses. Always good to have these around extra. I'm just using a wireless right now. But you never know when that one goes bad. This is a great backup or permanent use for anybody starting up. So, hold on. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers. We are back on the computer. We got the USB right here. And all you gotta do is hook it up on the side of your USB ports, which I'm going to do right now. And let's give this guy a test run, shall we? Alrighty. Plug you into the side. I forget where. Ooh. Alright. Ooh, this is. There it goes. This smooth little guy. Easy to click. Gotta clean this mat. But really nice keyboard. Look how smooth this goes. So give this video a thumbs up. Check them out. Really smooth mouse. Wow. Hit the DLP. Cool. Look at that. So this is a brand new item they just launched. So all I gotta do, click on that link. It will pop you guys right here to YUMQUA 4-button USB wired mouse. And you guys can make a purchase at a low cost right now. Under 10 bucks. Can't beat that deal. Definitely a really good mouse. So this might be my permanent one now. So like I said, it's smooth. It's fast. And got the beams on it. So alright, YouTubers, that will be it for today on this Wednesday the 29th. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. And see you guys until next video.